go for the lift. Just make sure you guys stay away from Hansek.
Yeah. Just guide them around.
Okay, so I might be...
Okay.
Just go straight click. Go straight click. Go straight click. He's down. He's down. He's down. I'm going low card.
No. Rayv is killing Hansek. It's fine.
Yeah, he's stunned there forever. He's stunned there forever, actually.
Yeah. That hurts now. 200k.
That's okay. I mean, you got 1.7.
We can kill Hansek.
Let him run.
Okay.
Let him run.
Go, Elgin. Go, Elgin. Let Rayv kill Hansek. Let Rayv kill Hansek. Go, Elgin.
I died.
Okay, just kill Elgin. Just kill Elgin. Yeah, sleep again. Sleep again.
I should be able to kill Aswin. Lost my fight again. No, my fight again some freedom. Nah, I'm getting made it. Damn it. That's...
I got you.
Leave.
I can move.
By the fountain. Yeah, we're trying. Levi, leave, please.
Ooh. Nice. Oh shit. They're chasing me.
In the middle of the party.
Lokan and Dad is chasing me.
I don't have rest yet. Hold them.
It's okay.
Rest in 5.
Lokan is
He's down.
down.
Go low bar.
Lokan
He's down.
Osiris.
Going low bar.
On me. Dada and Lokan on me.
Getting low bar. Low bar should be down. Going elves in.
Just keep on killing low card because Minchi is like waiting for low card to die in this resu.
It's okay. I mean, they're all together. Just make sure the Hansek does not get to move.
Lokan is chasing me. Ooh.
Okay, going low bar.
He's still chasing me. Then, a level 75 advanced PvP will be so helpful now. Alt is also on me.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Dada on me.
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, why
Wait,
am I
can we go Dada?
Why am I the priority kill? Why is it not Levi? What's going on here?
Still 2 minutes, guys. 1 and 40.
Okay, we got time.
Okay. Lokan is behind you guys.
It's okay. Just get that. Please out.
I got Levi. Actually, you guys have to kill Lokan. Lokan is chasing.
Yeah,
chasing
just low
Levi.
card.
Dude, I'm getting burned from Hansek. Holy shit. Hurts like hell. Actually, on minute 30 seconds, can we just focus on elsewhere? He's already half HP, just keep him there.
I'm just like roaming around now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we should just stay with our like priorities. Don't change everything like last second.
Okay.
Okay, kill us
I'm on
good.
20 seconds, guys.
Yeah, I'm going elsewhere.
Go on, good.
I have resu.
11 minutes. Where's
Yeah.
Minchi? Where's Minchi? I need to silence. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Get
I'm dead.
the elves, get the elves. Nice,
I'm
nice,
dead.
nice.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
We win on damage, we win on damage, we win on damage.
6 million damage on me. 56 million. 56 million damage on Rayv.
Okay, well, let's play Destroy it.
The Rayv is actually the best counter to their build.
Just
Guys, you need to-
low card.
Guys, protect me. I'm buying blue gems right now. Like, what the fuck?
Oh what? Okay.
Okay, I'm good now. I'm good. Sorry, sorry.
Only.
I got you. Silence.
Yeah, Lokan and Dada will see me.
Just run for now. Yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
just run for now.
I'm trying to. I'm getting
Leave again, sorry.
Just don't mind elves yan. Doesn't have any damage.
Dada's still on me.
I got you.
And Canvas. Lokan and Dada on me.
Got it on me. Oh, they got
Can
me.
we
They got me.
Can we protect ours first?
No, I can.
Nice.
Damn.
You just try and run from Hansek while taking out Lokarn and
No, we can't.
Dada.
I don't think we can. There's blitzing around. Actually, it's too fast for us to catch.
Oh yeah, just
Keep up,
kite.
just kite.
Yeah, just kite.
No tricky.
No, dad.
No, Hansen's on
that's
ours.
Let's go next.
Yeah, so either we can fast kill Lokan, if not, then we have to get the diff out. If the live is online, Rayv can stun Hansek, right?
Yeah,
I think they changed tactics right now. Like, they're waiting for bounce.
Get the leaf out then. You and me, Levi, let's try to sneak the leaf out, but try to get away from them.
That on me.
I'm on it.
Hansek's also on me. Three. All on me, bro.
Just run.
Five names piled up here. I'm checking. I'm straight.
Please dead.
Hans is like hiding. Hans on map.
He's on me.
Here.
On me.
I'm on Lokarn too.
Oh, they got us. Both of us.
It's just on Hans.
Dada, Lokan, and Hans. No, is on ours. We're moving as a group.
Hans is there.
The Kraken fight.
Oh, he got the homunculus out.
I have to dodge first. Where's Box?
In the middle of everything.
Lokan is chasing me. I rush you.
I'm going for lift. We can silence lift actually, so he doesn't heal.
I'm getting chased right now. I have to run.
Dadot.
Dado and Lokan on me.
I don't have rest yet. 10
it's
seconds.
okay.
Oh, they got me.
Yeah, I got carry on.
I'm gonna. Oh no. Start. Rayv.
Wait, yeah, just Hans just scary bro with Kraken.
Let's just scale this one. As long as Hans is not with me, I can carry.
The lift is up. Oh, Bounce is getting burned.
Just acid demonstration me.
I'm rising Bounce. Dada on me.
I think we can still win this. Win this. I got you. Got you.
Dada low kan Hansek on me. I can run. Teammates pal that.
Just run for now, box.
I got low turn. I'm going Elsian.
There's so much CC though.
Hans is on me.
Elsian gun.
Lopan is up. Lopan on me again. I tried to run.
Silence.
I'm going Elsian. Gotta keep this guy down.
How to run. Hansek.
I 2 seconds. Oh damn. I'll rest you later.
Damn bro. The burn and the nade though.
Not yet.
Not yet.
He somehow ignited me and then nade on me inside the birds.
GG. Nice one.